Alright, and welcome to Rewriting Logarithms. Now, what are we going to do whenever we have something that's in logarithmic form? How are we going to rewrite it into exponential form? Well, the trick is to understand that this right here is called the base, and so we'd say it has a base of 5, or base 5, and what we're essentially going to do is, because a logarithm is the opposite of an exponent, we are actually going to take this entire function and we're going to put it into an exponent. So if we have a base of 5, we're going to raise everything up into the exponent of a 5. So log base 5 is the opposite of being in the exponent of 5, and so those two things cancel. And what we do to the left, well, we have to do to the right. So what does this really look like below here? Well, it looks like this. X is equal to 5 to the power of 4. And we've now rewritten this in exponential form. By the way, if you can solve this further, you should. 5 to the power of 4 would be 625. That would be the final answer, but I put most of the answers like this just to get you into that form. Okay, let's go ahead and try another one. Alright, so here is example 2. And let's say we have this. Let's say we have the log of 7 of 3 is equal to x. Now notice, guys, we could actually solve for x right here, so we're just focusing on rewriting it. We see here that our base is 7, so we're going to raise up everything on the right into the exponent of 7. And what we do to the left, we do to the right. Now, with a base of 7, with log base of 7, in the exponent of 7, those things cancel. I know this is very weird. And we have 3 is equal to 7 to the power of x. And at this point, you would have to stop, because that's about as far as you can go. Okay, let's try a few more. And remember, guys, pause this as needed. Okay, let's see, here's example 3. And this time, let's just say this. Let's say log base x to the power of 8 is equal to 64. Okay, what would we do here? Well, since our base is x, we're going to raise everything up to the exponent of x, and those cancel, and what we do to the left, we do to the right. And so we now have 8 is equal to x to the power of 64. Okay, well, let us continue. Let's do 2 more examples. Okay, here we have all variables. So we have a log base c of r, so since we have a base of c, we're going to raise everything into the exponent of c. What we do to the left, we'll do to the right. And our c to the power of log base c, those cancel. And we have r is equal to c to the power of y. Okay, let's just go ahead and do one more. Let's say here's our example 5. Don't even need to erase it. And let's say here is log base a to the power of, or log base a of b is equal to c, large c, why not? And since our base is a, we're going to put a as our base, raising everything into its exponent. Do the same thing over here. Those cancel, and we have b is equal to a to the power of c. Alright, guys, I hope that this helps. I understand that this is very strange the first time you're looking at it, but it's really a process, and you can just understand that right off the bat. Alright, good luck.